Okay, so what I thought I would do is to do a quick video, a how-to video on how you can turn a blog post into a video using an online software which is called Lumen5. And I'll put a link to Lumen5 in the description below this how-to video. And the screen keeps going black because I'm sitting outside in the porch and the sun and the wind is blowing and the trees are moving in the background. But so apologise for the screen quality. But anyway, I've recorded the how-to video and that will be showing us next. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I thought I will show you today inside of an online application called Lumen5. This is the free version of Lumen5. And basically what this software does is it can first of all turn your blog posts into videos, short videos. So I pasted in my domain and blog post here, and what happens is this text is from your blog post. So all on this left hand side of the screen here would import then the post from your blog. Then in this pane on the main screen there will be slides, and the slides will then import the text. Now sometimes you might need to still add in some of the post if it's missing in the slides, because otherwise it might not make sense. But then you can change the number of seconds that each slide is shown. For example, you can click onto the plus here and increase this to 8 seconds or 4 seconds or 6 seconds or whatever it is that you want to do for each slide. You can change and swap the designs in different ways of showing the design of it, like that for example. You can change the photographs and in the backgrounds. There's media here, so you can choose like a video, or you can choose a GIF, or you can upload your own media, and there's photographs. So there's lots of different media that you can use as backgrounds. I've uploaded other things in the past, but inside of this library you've got photographs and videos that you can just click here and it will be uploaded to this screen. So you just basically then edit each piece, each slide, until it's exactly the way that you want, and it's showing the pictures and the design, and you've got the right text copy. Here on this side you can move the slide up or you can move the slide down. You can copy that scene and use it again with different text, and this one is just to delete it. There's also audio that you can upload, so there's music for backgrounds, so there's all sorts of different music that you can play. And you can add that to your video. You can make an outro and you can put that at the end, but if you're using the free version of Lumen5 then it will have the advertisement, and it will actually say made with Lumen5. Until you actually pay for a subscription of this software, then you can actually remove the advertisement at the end. So that is how you can create a video from a blog post. It's quite simple software to use. You save it and then you can preview This is obviously very short one. It's only, I haven't went through every slide and changed the seconds, but as you could do that yourself. There's also record your own voiceover. So for example, if you're wanting to do, like me, I do short affirmation and meditation short videos, and I use a lot of hearts, stars, sort of rainbows for the backgrounds, and then when I've made all of the slides and the text is in place, then I'll record my own voice over the top of the video. So for example, you click on this and then each slide will show, and the text will slide in. So all you need to do is to hit this record button and start speaking into your built-in microphone for the computer, or whatever other microphone that you have, that you've got, if you've got a microphone that you plug in. So you just start speaking that. Now you can do as many takes as you like, because you can delete and start again. I normally find the first, when you build yourself up to speaking, then you can do it in one take. But I have made mistakes, or there's some other sound that happens in the background, and then you've got to delete and you start over again. But it's not too arduous. So basically then you've got this, you can preview what you've already done. So that is basically how to use this cloud-based web application, Lumen5. And that's it basically. So you can log in, get yourself a free account and have some fun creating some slides and voiceover videos. Hope you like this how-to. See you on the next video.